Are you ready to ditch the endless printing and scanning and finally streamline your non-disclosure agreement process? Let's jump right in. First, head over to Docusign and log into your account. Once you're in, click on the New button, and then select Upload Now. Select the NDA document from your computer that you want to use. With your document uploaded, it's time to add the signature fields on the right-hand panel. You will find options like signature, date signed, and initial. Simply drag and drop these fields onto the appropriate locations within your NDA. Be sure to assign each field to the correct recipient. Using the recipient drop-down at the top of the screen, click the Next button, and you will be directed to the page to add recipients. Input the email addresses and names of all parties who need to sign the NDA. You can also add a personalized message to the email that Docusign sends to each recipient. Once you've added all the recipients and customized the email, review all the details one last time. If everything looks good, simply click the Send button. Docusign will automatically email the NDA to all parties for their signatures. And that's it. Docusign handles the rest, tracking signatures and providing you with a secure, legally binding digital NDA. Say goodbye to paperwork headaches and hello to streamlined legal agreements. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.